YouTube, what it do? It's your boy Fleezes, man. Welcome back to the channel. Appreciate y'all for tuning in, rocking out your boy, man. It means a lot, man. Listen, today we're gonna be learning how to make a YouTube banner. Now, if you don't know what a YouTube banner is, it's just like the decoration of your YouTube page. You know what I'm saying? So when you go to your YouTube page, they got a picture up top. It's just more appealing to the eye that makes people want to come to your YouTube page, click on your videos, watch, and interact and things of that nature. All right. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna make a YouTube banner today. So something like this. You see this right here? This is DDG's page. This is his YouTube banner. This is the banner right here. All right. So today we're gonna be learning how to make that. All right. So before we get into the video, please like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell for message boy, man. Let's get into the video. First thing first, we're gonna go to Canva.com. Yes, this website is free, but they do have like a premium package where you could get like pro edits or whatever the case may be. These are the little banners that I made so far already. We're gonna make a new one, all right? Something like this. All right, so first thing first, you go to create design. Well, you gotta sign in or sign up, but once you do all that, you come back here, you go to create design, all right? So then you go to YouTube banner. You wanna click YouTube banner because it already has the preset of the length and the width that you need in order to upload it onto YouTube. If you don't click this, it's not going to work. All right, just keep that in mind. All right, boom. So we click that. Now they have presets on the side, which no, I'm not using it. I wouldn't use it, but y'all can use it if y'all want to make it quick and simple, whatever the case may be. That is what it is. Up to y'all. All right. So then we're gonna go to elements, right? So when you go to elements, you wanna grab this little box right here where it says line and shapes. You wanna grab that box, you wanna put it here. You wanna stretch this box out to the left, and then you're gonna go to the right, Know what I'm saying? Boom. So this, did a little mess up right here, hold on. Now, all right? So this right here is basically your banner background. Now, before you do anything, you wanna make sure this is what you want because you cannot change it later. So you want to make sure that if you want a design back here, or if you want like a different type of background color, you have to change it now. You can't change it later. All right, remember that. You want to change it now, you can't change it later. So for instance, if you want to change the color, you want to put it black, you want to put it black like that, or you go to put it white, red, whatever. You know what I'm saying? So right now you're gonna keep it black. All right, so these are the pictures that I used before. So now if you want to use this as your background, you just want to put it here like this. You clip it like that, and then you want to size it up like that. You put it there like this. You want to make sure it's the same size. Boom. Boom. Like that. Okay? So this is going to be the background. So now you can move that down. Click this. Delete that. Move that up. Boom. Now, necessarily, you don't have to delete it if you don't want to, but I just deleted it just to show y'all you don't need it back there anymore. Okay? Next thing we're going to do is we are going to create the heading. All right? So you click this, you add heading. So right now, we're going to make this, let's see, we're going to make it a DDG family YouTube banner, okay? So we're going to go DDG family vlogs. Okay, that's gonna be the banner we make it say DDG family vlogs. All right, so let's change the font. I like to use Anton. Y'all can use whatever y'all like. That's gonna be the thing. We're gonna change the color so it can pop more. We're gonna use red. I don't think I want red. Let's go with, can you see blue? No, you can't see that like that. All right, for the sake of this, let's say green. No. For the sake of the video, we're gonna use white. All right, I mean black. Excuse me. We're gonna use black. Okay, just for the video. Y'all can do whatever y'all want. I'm gonna use black for right now. Okay. So DDG family vlogs. Let's move it to the side like this. All right, we're gonna put it right there. All right, that's good. Okay, cool. Let me see. Yeah, that's good. All right. So that's the texture right there. The next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add our social medias. Let's say we got Instagram elements. Alright, this is already it's already up here because I searched it already, but we just want to use that for right now. But normally you go to elements and you type in whatever you need, like Twitch, Twitter, Instagram, etc., etc. You just do it like that. All right. So we're gonna put that. We're gonna change the color to white. Okay. And then we're gonna go back to text, add heading. We're gonna make this a little smaller. We're gonna drag this right here like that. Then we're gonna change the name to DDG Family Vlogs. Okay. Now it's not a real page. I'm just creating it right now just to show y'all how to make a banner. Okay. We're gonna do it like that. So then we're gonna put it white. All right. Let me see if I change this white if it look better. Let's see. I don't think it would though, but look a little better. Let me change this then. Let me change that to black. No, let's change that to red. No, it's ugly. Okay. We're gonna leave it white. We'll change it back later. All right. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to go back to elements. We're going to put the Twitch. All right, just in case you got a Twitch. We're going to put that right here. Make it a little bigger. I'm going to put it right there like that. And then same thing we're going to do it here. Okay, then we're going to add a heading here. Again. Like that. And then you paste. All right. DDG Family Vlogs. Let's make this bold. Turn it into gonna keep it black. Okay, cool. Y'all getting the gist of it. All right, so after that, this is how it look right now. So now we're gonna add our pictures. If you want to add like pictures on the side or whatever the case may be, that's what you're about to do. So we're gonna do that. So we're gonna take this picture of DDG right here. We're gonna drop it like that. Boom. Size it up. Put it right here. Okay. Just put DDG right there. All right. We got DDG right there. And then we're gonna put his family right here. You gotta keep it, yeah, like that. Size it up, and then add it to the picture. Okay. All right. So basically, we got the family right here. We got DDG on the side. I don't think I have another picture of DDG. No, I don't. DDG on the side, and yeah, this is basically how you make a YouTube banner. Then you'll save it, and then you could just upload it later on. But this is like quick, simple, showing y'all how to make a banner. And let me know in the comments below if y'all like this, man. If y'all feeling this or not. Like I said, this is quick. This is nothing crazy. I could have made it a little better, but I just wanted to show y'all how to make it, and that's what I did. All right. But let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. And yeah, it's your boy Fleas, man. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, message with the boy, man. I'm out of here. Peace.